Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of the PLDT home Wi-Fi. So it's running through the LTE or smart LTE network. So I already have an existing internet connection. So Converge ang gamit ko ngayon, pero since nagkakaroon ng maraming issue, disconnection issue si Converge ngayon during the ECQ period, so I decided to it is a must for me to have an internet connection. So nag-decide ako na bumili ng backup kasi required naman talaga. Yung backup ko existing right now is Globe, which is not competitive yung pricing niya per gigabyte na prepaid plan compared sa smart. So hopefully mas maganda to, kasi mas marami akong nakabasang mga magagandang review dito. So mabilis lang, buksan na natin. Okay, so ito yung box nya. Peel off lang natin ng plastic. Disregard nyo na lang yung price kasi hindi yun ang existing price nyo ngayon. Iba-iba actually sa Facebook market ko lang siya nakuha. Dala nyo naman. And so sleeve lang to, dalahin lang natin. So sealed naman siya, as we can see. So tingnan natin buksan natin. And we should get access straight away dun sa mismong modem nya. Just this. So, oops, may laglag. What's that? Wala lang. Sticker lang yata. So, wala naman. Anyway. So, ito yung modem nya. Power. Internet light. Wi-Fi light. I think ito yung LAN. Or yung cable connection. And then signal strength. Hindi ako nagkamali sa ilalim yung serial number nya, and then here tingin ko dito yung SIM card pre-inserted na, tsaka may seal, so hindi natin siguro pwedeng basta buksan o may warranty or something. So power port, and then 2 LAN ports, WPS reset button. So yun siya. Ano pang included sa box, tingnan natin. So kasal muna natin siya dyan. Okay, konti lang. Plug connector for power, and then we have basic na Ethernet cable, and then manual. What else? Yeah, just the basic manual, warranty certificate, okay, whatever. And yeah, actually yun lang. So wala na laman yung box nya, kita nyo naman. Maliban dito, ito yung sa SIM card. So yeah, kailangan natin itabi to. And that's about it. So tingnan natin, try natin siyang i-plug kung magbuburap siya. Okay, so try natin siyang isaksak kung magpa-power on siya. Sinaksak ko na yung power adapter. So simple as that. And wala siyang on-off switch. Mag-automatic on siya. So I believe magta-try siya to connect to the network. Ito, yeah, pretty basic lang talaga, low quality na Ethernet cable. So as per yung mga napanood kong video sa YouTube, kailangan lang nating maghintay until this light right here goes to steady blue or steady green. Let's see. Grabe kasi medyo pinasakit yung ulo ko ng Converge. Okay naman sila for the past years that I've been using them. Pero nagka-problema talaga ako starting ECQ. So kailangan talaga, mandatory sa amin na may backup connection. So tingnan natin. So blinking na siya. So I'm assuming na connected na siya. So try natin i-connect yung mobile phone ko. Tingnan natin kung makakonect siya, and then we're gonna do a speed test. Okay, so guys, ngayon nakakonect na ako dun sa SSID niya sa Wi-Fi. Medyo malabo pero it says connected right there. So tingnan natin, speed test tayo. Actually nag-speed test na ako kanina, pero ulitin ko lang. What? Okay. Sila lumalabas Globe Telecom. Whatever. Okay, so not bad. So stable pa rin, 13 Mbps. Stable yung nakukuha natin sa down, and then 5 Mbps yung nakukuha natin sa upload. So okay yan. Tingnan lang natin para double check lang natin. So doon pa rin siya nakakonect. So yun, make sure lang guys na palitan nyo yung password right after ma-activate nyo everything, para lang hindi maubos o makakonect kung sino-sino, kasi generic yung password nya. So yun lang guys. Actually stable to, and it's looking pretty good so far, kasi meron na rin akong dalawang office mates na nag-advise na kumuha nito, kasi maganda rin naging experience nila. Shout out to Daniel and Harold. Yan yung mga idol natin pagdating sa buhay natin. And yeah, salamat sa kanila kasi nagkaroon tayo ng idea na kumuha nito, kasi necessity talaga yung backup when it comes to working from home. So as long as stable siya, sabi nila umaabot daw minsan up to 25 megabits per second yung download speed niya, which is very very good. So at least syempre depende pa rin sa area nyo. So I would recommend also na i-try nyo tong i-elevate. Medyo ilagay nyo, actually baka ilagay ko siya sa taas ng cabinet or sa taas ng desktop ko, para hopefully mas malakas yung sagap ng signal, mas stable. So yun lang guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.